Giant Birds, written by Vivian Harding. Focus question. What makes the condor an unusual bird? A very big bird. Condors are huge birds. One wing can be almost as long as a bicycle. Condor homes. These big birds like wide open space. They need a lot of room to land. Condors fly high to look for food. They can fly for a long time. Condors live in high places. They dry their wings in the sun after fasting. They make nests on rocky cliffs and in trees. Time to clean up. Condors can eat all kinds of dead animals. They may eat a small rabbit or big whale. Condor can eat dead animals without getting sick. From the neck up, some condors have white feathers around their necks. Others are all black. Condors do not have feathers on their head. Condor head contains colors. The color shows how the condors are feeling. Condors grow up. Mother condors lay one egg every 2 years. Both parents take care of the egg. The baby condor comes out of the egg after 2 months. The baby condor 6 months later, it starts to fly. Condors can live almost as long as a person. There are very few condors today. People watch condors to keep them safe. Big wings in the sky. Condors special birds. They are some of the largest flying birds in the world.